I really wanted surgical skills, so I got involved in all the spay-neuter clubs, and those are the places where I got especially hands-on. I got to do probably around 30 spays and neuters on my own, which no one at my clinical school can say.
Going off to clinics and meeting clinicians out in practice, they often comment about this ROSI resilience that they see, that students are often really driven. They're always looking for educational opportunities, and I think that goes back to that foundation of really building up the students and kind of nurturing that.
Starting my clinical year, my first day at Tufts was in the ER. Probably about 30 to 40 patients came to the ER that day, and I felt very prepared. I didn't feel that I was lacking any knowledge at all, and actually the doctors that were in charge of me, the only way they told me that they knew I was new to the school was that I didn't know where the pharmacy was, but in terms of my medical practice, they couldn't tell me out any differently from any other student.